Hello students, we are in the second chapter and only two topics are remaining. One is this past adjustment and the one is about final accounts. Okay, so now what do you mean by this? Sometimes what happens when we are preparing our final accounts, some of the entries, some of the adjustments are left out. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ, ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? What changes we need to do? How to record those transactions again? In which manner correction can be done? So there are certain adjustments like interest on capital, interest on drawings, then interest on loan. So these adjustments sometimes are omitted by mistake. Okay, so this omission need to be corrected, right? ಈಗ ಕೆಲವು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. So we may not get actual profit information, right? To make correction, to rectify that, what we need to do. So there are two methods in which we can make a correction. One is P&L adjustments account or profit and loss adjustment account. Another one is through directly entering that into partners capital account. So ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ? ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ either by preparing P&L adjustment account where certain entries are there, so that you need to pass. After that you can even make changes or correction through by directly entering that into partners capital account. So these are the two methods. Okay, so here is the example. So example C, Ramesh and Zahir are equal partner with the capital of rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh. So here Ramesh and Zahir equal partner means what? They are sharing profits equally alva. Our profit and loss organization idu equally share ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So their capital is Ramesh 50,000, Zahir's 1 lakh respectively. After final accounts, they discovered that interest on capital at 6% per annum is not charged. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ at the end of final accounts they come to know that there are certain adjustments which are left out. Which one is that? Interest on capital. So they didn't charge interest on capital. Usually in a partner's capital account interest on capital is credited. Here that one is missed. That particular adjustment is not recorded. So 6% interest on capital now charge ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Because of that what happens? There will be overstatement of the profit ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅವರು ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ. So just see the information. So we know that there is a capital of Ramesh 50,000, Zahir 1 lakh, right? After that there is a interest on capital 6% which we need to charge. So that is now missed. So we need to calculate interest on capital. So on 50,000 6% means we are getting 3,000 alva. 50,000 ಮೇಲೆ 6% ಅಂದ್ರೆ calculate 50,000 into 6 by 100, we are getting 3,000. Then 1 lakh ಮೇಲೆ 6% ಅಂದರೆ 6,000. So now we need to calculate what is the overstated profit. So if we are adding 6,000 plus 3,000, total is 9,000. So this much of amount is not recorded. That means this much of profit is overstated. ಅಂದರೆ 9,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತುಂಟು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು 9,000 ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 9,000 is now overstated. So how to correct that? So here overstated profit is there, right? That should be shared among the partners. So 9,000 is the excess amount. So now sharing in which basis? Based on their profit sharing ratio. In the problem we came to know that they are sharing equally. The profits and losses of the organizations are shared equally. That means 9,000 into 1 by 2, right? Two partners are there, equally they are sharing means 4,500 each is shared among the partners. So now we need to do entry for recording interest on capital. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ? The first method, that one is P&L adjustment account. So by preparing that, we are going to rectify the mistakes or correct our mistake. So the first entry we need to pass is to record the interest on capital. So what is the entry? Entry ಏನು? P&L adjustment account debit to Ramesh capital account to Zahir capital account. So ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನಾವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? P&L adjustment account debit to Ramesh capital account to Zahir's capital account. So how much is the amount which we didn't transfer? Total was 9,000, right? So adral Ramesh iddu interest on capital is to 3,000. We have already calculated. Zahir's capital account is to 6,000. So now record is done, right? Interest on capital now record madidvi. Then next step. So now there is a overstated profit, right? This one 9,000. This need to be shared among the partners. So what is the entry for that? Ramesh capital account debit, Zahir capital account debit to P&L adjustment account. So 9,000 is now distributed equally among Ramesh and Zahir. Done? Now what is the next step? We need to prepare P&L adjustment account. So just prepare the P&L adjustment account format debit credit, then rupees. So this is the format, right? Okay, now pass these entries to ledger. So P&L adjustment account debit to Ramesh capital account to Zahir's capital account. So 3,000 and 6,000 interest on capital transferred. Okay, then again and the entry is there to share the profit, right? So what is the entry? Ramesh capital account debit, Zahir's capital account debit to P&L adjustment. That means buy. So transfer, buys Ramesh, buys Zahir, 4,500, 4,500. Now both the side is getting tally. So this is the way in which we need to prepare P&L adjustment account. Okay. Now next step is what? So first step I already told, it's about preparing what? It's about preparing P&L adjustment account. So another method is by directly charging to capital account. So there is a partner's capital account where which and all the information we didn't record, we need to make the entry of it. So second is through preparing capital account or directly entering the transaction into capital account. So what is the format? Write the format. First column is particulars column, then remaining two column is of Ramesh capital account and Zahir's capital account. So first what entry we need to do? So the amount of interest on capital which we have to record but we didn't record, alva? Now 3,000 mattu 6,000 interest on capital Ramesh ಮತ್ತು Zahirನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಯಿತು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ the amount which we need to credit but we didn't credit, that need to be recorded. That is 3,000 and 6,000 respectively. Okay. Then next is amount which actually credited now. So ಏನು ನಾವು actually credit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? The profit which is shared equally among partner, right? So which is that amount? 4,500 and 4,500. Correct? Okay. Now we need to find out the difference between 1 and 2. See here. 3,000 is the actual amount we need to charge, but we charge profit of 4,500. So this one is what? Find out the difference. You are getting 1,500. This is the excess, right? 1,500 ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ನಾವು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 3,000, ನಾವು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ 4,500 ಅಂದರೆ 1,500 ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇದೆ. And then again see Zahir's capital account. So 6,000 we need to credit. We have credited 4,500. ಅಂದರೆ 6,000 ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೂ 4,500 ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 1,500 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? Zahirಗೆ. So in which manner we can correct this mistake? So we need to pass a journal entry where see Ramesh is having excess, right? So ಇವನರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So what we can do, if there is a excess credit, we can debit this particular person's account. So you need to transfer as, you need to pass entry as Ramesh capital account debit to Zahir's capital account. So now you have transferred. That means what? There is a correction done. Correct? Rami's capital account debit to Zahir's capital account. So in this manner, we need to do the correction in case any of the transaction or any of the adjustments are left out. Okay.